Solar energy is revolutionizing power generation. But quality, safety, and performance are non-negotiable. Without standards, failure is inevitable, safety is compromised, efficiency drops, and costs skyrocket. What happens when standards are ignored? Electrical hazards. Fires, electrocution, power failures. Business is crippled. Every compromised standard is an open invitation to disaster. Standards aren't restrictions, they are the foundation of trust, reliability, and long-term success. Standards, what are they? IEC Standards, the global benchmark, ensuring safety, efficiency, and longevity worldwide. Australian Standards, NZS, built for local challenges. Designed for harsh climates and strict regulations. Without them, everything is at risk. Why standards matter? Safety, preventing fires, electrocution, and system failures. Quality, ensuring solar systems last and perform. Performance, maximizing energy output with zero compromise. Key standards in solar EPCM. As for solar PV panels, primarily, IEC 61215, IEC 61730, AS10ZS 5033, and so on, built to last, tested for reliability. As for solar inverters, IEC 62109, IEC 61683, and so forth to minimize energy loss, ensuring efficiency. Energy storage or battery systems, IEC 62619, IEC 63056, and the rest for safe, reliable energy storage. Solar module mounting structures, IEC 61215 and AS10ZS 1170.2, IEC 62938 and AS10ZS 2535.1 are engineered for extreme conditions. Specific to solar system installation standards, IEC 62930, AS10ZS 5033, and the rest ensure safe wiring and seamless integration. Compliance isn't optional, it's the only way to ensure long-term success. The green approach, compliance at every stage. At Green Solar EPCM, standards are embedded into every phase. As for solar plant or system design and engineering, IEC 62548, AS10ZS 5033, precision from the start. As for procurement, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, certified quality materials. As for construction, IEC 61557, AS10ZS 61439, safe, durable execution. As for management, IEC 62446, long-term operational excellence. This holistic approach ensures every project meets and exceeds industry benchmarks. Solar energy is the future. But a future without standards is a future at risk. At Green Solar EPCM, we don't just follow standards, we set them. Every panel, every inverter, every system, engineered for perfection. Because in solar energy, precision isn't optional, it's essential. Green. Precision. Power. Progress.